Hey Palm Beachers, happy holidays to everyone. Hope you've all been enjoying this holiday season. It's been a beautiful one here in Paradise, and today it is beautiful, it's sunny, it's in the mid 70s, and the family and I, we're going to go out and do some bike riding in Palm Beach County. So today we're heading out to the Wellington Environmental Preserve. Sorry, I had to look that up on the phone. The Wellington Environmental Preserve, it's about a 365-acre rainwater storage facility. It's really cool. It's got some wetlands, like you've seen in my previous videos. There's a boardwalk. It's a new place we've never been to before, and there's bike trails, but there's also a 6-story tower, which is like an observation deck, which is really cool, and I'm sure we can get some really good views out there. So I'm loading up the bikes, and we're going to head out on an adventure into Palm Beaches. So let's go out and explore today. Alright guys, so we made it out here to the Wellington Environmental Wetlands. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day. We're going on a bike ride. There's a 6-story tower that we want to hit eventually. It's somewhere around here. We're going to go find it, and we're going to get some video of all this beautiful wetlands and park out here in Wellington, Florida. So let's go on a bike ride. There's the tower. Awesome. Alright, so you can see we made it up to the watchtower. It's about 6 stories. It's pretty cool, and I think it's about maybe a 2-mile bike ride to get over here. Wasn't too bad. There's a couple shorter ones you could take, but we wanted to take the scenic one that went all the way around, and then we're going to take the rest of the way, which goes all the way back around back here. But this place is really pretty. Lots of birds out today. We're going to get down there and get a little closer to the water so we can get some more footage. But it's another free park here in Palm Beach County, and there's people out here biking and jogging and just walking around and enjoying. So I'll be sure to put a link in the video so you can get the information to come out here and check it out yourself. But we just had a nice little sit-down lunch, and we're going to get out and go explore some more. So let's go check out the rest of this beautiful park. Absolutely one of the reasons why I love Palm Beach County. There are just so many beautiful parks to go to. Most of them are free, and a lot of them are walking, but as you can see on this one, go out here and bike. And yeah, different times of the year. A lot of my videos you may have seen were shot in the summer. So when it's hot like that, a lot of the birds and wildlife don't like to come out, just like the humans don't. But when it gets cooler out and there's not as much humidity, like days like today, you'll see a lot of the birds, occasionally see some turtles, and even an alligator if you're lucky. But it's just, that's why I call it paradise, and I love living here, and I love bringing these videos to you guys because I think there's just so much beauty to share with everybody. So right now we're just on a bike trail back to the car, and we're going to try and catch a sunset tonight out at the Loxahatchee Wildlife Wetlands, which I've been out there before. I did a video there before, and they got a great spot for catching the sun going down right over the Everglades. So we're headed there and enjoying our day in paradise. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. One of the interesting things about Wellington, it is known as horse country or polo country. It is home to the Wellington Polo Fields, International Polo Center, and every winter they have the Equestrian Festival and the polo matches out here. Horse country. So that was a pretty fun time out there at the wetlands. We enjoyed bike riding out there. It was really nice. But now we've moved over to the Loxahatchee Wildlife Preserve, the Arthur R. Marshall. I've been out here before, shot a video or two, and this is a great place to get a view of the sunset. So what we're going to do is we're going to hang out here and watch the sun go down. My son's got his camera that he got for Christmas, and he's getting some pictures done of the wildlife, and it's just going to be a beautiful evening to a perfect Florida day. So hang on, and we're going to show you a beautiful sunset here in a little bit. Well, that was a perfect end to a perfect day. Absolute gorgeous sunset out here at the Arthur R. Marshall Wetlands, and my son was getting a lot of great pictures. He got his camera for Christmas, and he's doing a lot of photography now, so I'm really excited for him for that. And just an absolutely beautiful day. So anyway, I appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed this adventure in the Palm Beaches. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and of course leave a comment. And 2019 is going to be a great year, so I'm wishing everyone a happy new year, and hopefully we're going to get out here and do a whole lot more cool videos showing the Palm Beaches off and maybe some other places. But until then, whenever you guys are in the Palm Beaches, get out and enjoy paradise. Happy New Year to everybody, and we'll see you next year.